Hello everyone, this is Cinematic Read and we are still on 90 days of becoming a colorist and this is day 9 and we are going to be dealing on skin treatment. So I would love you to stay tuned to the end of this tutorial and make sure you're following us because we will be dropping series of videos from now till the end of 90 days and we are on day 9. So what we need to do at this point is create a node, then the second node that we just created, create a parallel node. Then this, we're going to use this for our skin and use this for the background. So select the first one, then go to your qualifier, select the skin, click on highlight. So make sure you do a good clean selection by toggling this to get something nice, then something like this. So let's try to play with it to get more of the skin into our selection. Okay, I think we're almost there. Then in order to remove some of these parts that are found on the skin, you need to denoise, then blur reduce. So this is it. Then remove your highlights. So link the alpha with the one below, which is the external key. Then for this the background. So I would love to kind of darken the entire image a bit, and I'm going to do that here by selecting add nodes, serial nodes. So this adjustment is going to come before my skin touch up. So I'll go to HDR, then step my global exposure a bit, step it down a bit. So from this to this, so you can take a look at it. I think it's a kind of too bright. Then for the skin, this is our skin selection. I'm going to go to color wheel. Then for the skin, I'm going to be working on log. So on log, let's pull it towards orange so that we'll get this kind of orange look. Then go to your curve. This is the before and after. You won't to notice it, but it has a way of making the color of the skin even. So go to your curve, hue versus saturation. So this is where our skin information is. So this is our skin information. You can see it on the graph. So let's select this, take it down a bit to reduce. So what we are going to do is we are reducing the red information on the skin. So before and after. but let's try not to do it too much. Then the next thing you should be doing on your skin is the next thing you should be doing is reduce the minute details. Let's say to 23. So you can see, I think it's too much. Let's say 15. Okay. Then now get to this our background. Let's step it a little bit. Let's see what you can do for it. Just a little. So from this to this, do you see how calm the skin is? So it depends on the kind of color you're aiming to achieve. Let's say you're aiming to achieve something like an action or the sci-fi movie where you know it's still an orange. You go with this. Go with this kind of look. Let's say you want to achieve something warm. You go with something like this. But in my own case, I want it cool. I want it cool, and so you can still make any adjustments on the skin if maybe to reduce the reddishness. So you can still make any adjustment of the background. That's if you're not really satisfied with what you're getting. So this is it, and this is it. This is for the background. Are you seeing how calm the background is? And this is for the skin, and this is the exposure that we did. So at least we're able to go from this to this. So if you're joining us for the first time, please do like, subscribe, comment, and follow for more. Thank you, and we're going to be dropping the next one, so make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.